for about 20 months now. Before that, what I was doing, well, basically all my adult life I've been working in offices. So I've been working in an office and juggling work with kids, which I bet lots of you can relate to. And it's hard going. So for years I've always been looking to do something from home. Okay, but it wasn't the case. It wasn't the case. I couldn't find anything at the time. And then it was probably a year before I actually started this business that I was going through a period where, well, financially we weren't good at home, and I wasn't enjoying my job. I didn't like my job. I was burnt out basically, and I really felt that I needed to find something else to do as a sideline initially, because I needed more income and I didn't have more time to get 2 jobs. So it had to be something that I could do from home and online, which seemed to be the best option because everybody nowadays is online, has internet, smartphones, smart tellies, smart everything. So I started looking, really looking seriously this time. And I did. I came across an ad that took me also to a webinar. I saw the replay. I probably saw a couple of replays, and I remember I was on the commute to work and I'd be watching the replay, and I just felt that it was right. It felt right to me. And looking further into it, then I just saw that was what I was looking for, because you had this whole system put in place, and the only thing that you have to do is use it and earn money from it. So God, that works for me. I'm there. So I decided to go for it. And that's totally great. So that's what I did. And then, right, so it took me probably a month to get it up and running, using the fantastic training and the help from also an amazing community. And I got my first sale in the first month. So that was really good and encouraging. And from then on, well, my dream came true, because now I'm at home. My time is mine. I decide what to do with it. I can run errands. I can do my hobbies. I work a few hours a day doing this business online, and the rest of the time is what I need, and I can go and visit my family in the UK. And for the first time in years, I am actually at home at lunchtime for my youngest daughter when she gets home from school, because my eldest 2 are over 18 now, so they don't need me, but the youngest one, I'm there for her, so that is actually fantastic. So yeah, I'm happy in a nutshell. So that's really good. So yeah, I really would like to encourage people to give this a chance. Give it a chance. Just look into it and see if this works for you, because you don't know until you try. And to be honest, what I learned as well is that you're not passive in your own life. Yeah, you can be active. You can actually be active and do something about something that you don't like and you're not happy with, which is what I've done, which is what the other people that are on here have done, and what you've all started to do because you're watching this. So you've taken that first step. And I encourage you to take the next one, because you can actually change your life and you can actually create a future, your own future. Okay, so anyway, I think that's just about everything I've got to say for now. But so thanks very much. Okay, great being here.